Welcome once again. From index number chapter, we have learned how to convert a index number from fixed based to chain based index number, and similarly in the same video we have learned how to change a chain based index number to a fixed based index number. In today's video we will learn how to do the base shifting is over there, as I have written. If we are having an index number and the price of that index number is so old and we want to change the base year, so how we can change the base year, we will learn in this video. So I have taken an example that in a data of index number is given 2015. The base year, previously the base year was 2015 and it was 100. That index come to 2016 121, 2017 135, 2018 150, 2019 200, 2020 215. Later on 2021 that is 225, 2022 260, and last is 300. So in this index number our base year is 2015. If we want to change our base year in 2019, so how we can change the base year, that we will learn here. So change in base year. Change in base year. So we will write index number. Old index number we can write. First one, old index number. Old index number of previous year divided by old index number of new base year multiply by 100. It means if we want to change, firstly we will having the old index number divided by the new index number multiply by 100. Suppose we are to change this index number in 2019. Suppose we are to change new base 2019. So what we will having, the old index number of the year, we will having the old index number of the current year, we can send previous year not current year, divided by old index number of the new base year, multiply by 100. Suppose 2019 is to take the new base year, so we will having this is 100. So how to change the base year? What we will do, we will use that formula. The formula is this, that the old base year of the current year divided by the old base year of the new base, old index number of the new base year multiply by 100. So old index number is 100, old index number of new base year is 200, multiply by 100. Here current old index number is 121, new base old index number is 200, multiply by 100. For that 135 divided by 200 multiply by 100. 150 divided by 200 multiply by 100. 200 divided by 200 multiply by 100. It means the base year which we want to change, firstly our base year was 2015, that was 100. Now we are changing the whole index number in 2019. So the formula is this, old index number of the current year divided by the old index number of the new base year multiply by 100. So old index number of the current year 121, old index number of the new base year 200, multiply by 100. So here 215 multiply by 200 multiply by 100. 225 divided by 200 multiply by 100. 260 multiply by 200 divided by 200, and 300 divided by 200 multiply by 100. So taking this, we were having new index number base year 2019 is equal to 100. This was index number base year 2015 is equal to 100. So the first was the base year is 2015. Now we are shifting, base shifting is over there, we are shifting that base year into 2019. So first one is 100 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, that is 50. So first is 50, then 121 divided by 200 multiplied, that is 60.5. Third is 135 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, that is 67.5. This will be 75, this will be 100. Then 215 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 100, that 107.5. 225 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, that is 112.5. Now 260 divided by 200, 20 cancel, so 130, 20 cancel, that is 150. So in this sense, we can shift our index number. Okay. So what we have to do to change the base year? We will having old index number of the current year divided by the old index number of the new base year multiplied by 100. Suppose this all, now we are to change age 2020, new base year 2020 is equal to 100. Suppose 22 is to take new base year. This is index number on the base year 19, so that 2019 is 100. If we are taking another one question, this is not related to this, so I am okay. Now new base year we are changing. Suppose the same question is over there, and we are to shift this all in a new base year, and the new base year is suppose 2018. So new base year 2018. So 18 will be treated as 100. So what we will do? Old base year, old index number of the current year divided by old index number of the new base year multiplied by 100. 121 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 135 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 150 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 200 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 215 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 225 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. And 260 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. And 300 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. So the formula is very clear. We should having the old index number of the current year divided by old index number of the new base year multiplied by 100, which it's very easy to having the base shifting. So this base shifting will be first one 1.5. okay, 100 divided this, first one is 66.67. 121 121 divided by this multiplied by 100, 80.67. 135, that will be 90, that will be 100. 200, 133.33. 215 divided by 150 multiplied by 100, 143.33. Again 225, that will be 150. 260, 173.33, and last one 200. So with the help of this, easily we can having base shifting if required is over there. Any of the basis shifting required, it's very simple. So I think with the help of this video you may be learn how to doing the base shifting is over there. Thank you.